So it finally turned up, the new R5 from Canon. It's going to be replacing our noble steed, the 1DXMK3 and the 1DXMK2 that we always use out at the track. To see what came in our box. Can't thank Rob at the Canon Experience Store down in Melbourne enough for getting this up to us straight away. Oh yeah, EOS R socks, can't beat that. These are the new bits and pieces. Obviously, they're marking it up for all the people coming out. You have to buy the control ring, the adapter, so you can run your EFS, your EF lenses, not your EFS lenses. They won't work on any Pro body. Battery grip, not the Wi-Fi one. I couldn't justify the difference. A few little other goodies. Can't thank Canon enough. The big boy, the R5. Of course, it comes with the limited edition leather strap and the extra battery. Ta-da! So this is it, the R5 bundle. Strap. It's a nice looking strap, it's all well presented, all metallic. It's actually a really nice strap. Not too many of them getting around. Looks all nice. I don't know if you can see that with the I guess what we've all been wanting to see. All comes with the usual. There's your extra battery that comes with it. Manual, battery charger. It's a bit different. Usually all of the boxes, usually cardboard, but they've got these new molded plastics. And there she is. New R5. Have to get some power into this bad boy. Give it a good rundown between this and the 1DXMK3. So we'll do a comparison between the R5 and the EOS 1DXMK3 soon. Chuck the battery grip on and see how the size compares to the 1DXMK3. So it's easy, same as always, you just pop that off and clip that across. We'll grab our battery grip. Good thing with this one, it does come with a spare battery, so you can straight off the bat run dual batteries in it. Shoots the compact flat CFast Express card and dual slot with a SD card as well. Better at being on the other side of the camera than this side of the camera, but so many people had asked us about this camera, so we definitely had to drop this for you guys. So it simply just clicks in. It's got a new connector there which connects into the camera as well. Get it in and then just locks it into place with the screwdriver. So that's the actual camera with a battery grip. And Then we have the 1DXMK3 that got released earlier in the year. So that's the size comparison. It is a fair bit smaller. Actually, I'll just take that lens off so you can see it without the lens comparison. So comparatively, it is a bit smaller. It does feel really nice in the hand. It feels solid. It almost feels the same as the 5D4. And the 1DXMK3 as well. It's a tiny bit small in the grip, but it definitely feels the part. It's a solid camera. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels almost as sturdy as the 1DXMK3. Thanks for watching the unboxing of the R5 and comparing it with the 1DXMK3. We'll be dropping another video with a few more details from the track in the next upcoming week, or soon enough, depends on what happens with COVID. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And here's a few clips that we took this afternoon, unedited, just to have a quick look, and hopefully we'll see you on the channel soon.